In this lesson, we are going to learn one of the most fundamental compass and ruler constructions: how to draw a perpendicular line. It may look like a very simple exercise, but this construction is the foundation for many geometric drawings, grids, squares, rosettes, and traditional pattern systems. For this lesson, you only need a few basic tools: a sheet of paper, a pencil. Maybe you need a pencil or not. Sometimes we use pencils, sometimes we don't use. We use markers or other tools. A ruler or a straight edge and a compass. We begin with a straight line segment. Let us call the two endpoints A and B. Our goal is to construct a new line that is perpendicular to AB. In other words, we want to create a clean 90-degree angle without using a set square or measuring the angle directly. Now let us start with step 1. Open the compass to a radius slightly greater than half of segment AB. This measurement doesn't need to be exact, but it must be greater than half of AB. Place the compass needle on point A or maybe B, it doesn't matter, and draw an arc. The arc should pass above and below the line segment. Here is the important point: the exact compass radius is not the main issue. What matters is that the radius is larger enough for the next arc to intersect it clearly. Now we move to step 2. Don't change the compass opening. Keep the same radius. Place the compass needle on point B and draw the second arc. This second arc should intersect the first arc in two places, one above the line and the other below the line. We label the upper intersection point C, and the lower intersection point D. If your intersections are not perfectly clean, don't worry too much. Small inaccuracies are normal in hand drawing. What matters is careful compass placement and keeping the compass radius unchanged between the two steps. Now we move to step 3. Use a ruler to connect point C to point D. This new line crosses segment AB and creates a right angle. And now the construction is complete. We have drawn a perpendicular line using only a compass and a ruler. This is a very important basic construction because it teaches us how to build accuracy through geometry, not just through measurement. For practice, repeat the same method with 3 different line segments: one short, one medium, and one long. Each time make sure that the compass radius stays the same from point A to point B. In the next lessons, we will use these basic constructions to build squares, divisions, polygons, rosettes, and geometric pattern structures. If you are interested in compass and ruler geometry, Gereh patterns, and traditional architecture, follow SEKRO ART. Thank you.